Whop review. Best way to make money online? I'm going to tell you if Whop is the best way to make money online. Whop is a platform for selling digital products and services, like memberships, courses, and apps. It provides tools to manage sales, subscriptions, and payments, making it easy for digital entrepreneurs. So, can you really make money? Yes, but it depends. Whop has a 3% transaction fee and competition is tough. If you really have a product or audience, it can be a great way to earn passive income. But if you're starting from scratch, it won't magically make you rich. Is Whop worth it? Yes, for the right person. If you're serious about selling digital products, it's a solid platform. But remember that success takes work.